Hey, it's Megan of Say Hello Mama, and I'm gonna give you a really quick rundown of two of my favorite Lily Jade bags. I have the Lily Jade Lorie here in camel, and the equally gorgeous Madeleine in red leather. I know a bunch of you are interested in the Lorie and how it compares size-wise to other Lily Jade bags, so I thought, you know, the Madeleine is one of Lily Jade's most popular styles, so if I can show you that against the Lorie, maybe that will help you get a good idea of where the Lorie fits among the Lily Jade bags as far as what it can hold. So I'm going to show you both of these bags packed up with the insert because I think that's the easiest way to show you a direct comparison between the two. However, just keep in mind the Lorie is a lifestyle bag by Lily Jade, so it doesn't come with an insert. However, if you have another Lily Jade bag or if you want to purchase an insert separately, those are both great options to get the kind of packing style I'm going to show you today. I'm going to show you both of these bags packed up pretty lightly. The insert is not at full capacity. This is a light packing job for more like how I was packing with my two toddlers before we just had our new baby boy, rather than showing you like how much extra stuff I'm carrying for a newborn, because I just think that's kind of unfair to these bags because these are both like medium-sized bags versus the Megan, which is a really large bag, or the Jennifer or something like that. So I just want to give you a good idea of like a base level of what both of these bags comfortably hold. So let me first show you the Lorie and what I have inside packed up with an insert. Both the Madeleine and the Lorie have really great tote straps. The Madeleine's are slightly shorter, but still like super comfortable over the shoulder. And they can both be worn backpack style as well as messenger style. You can see I usually keep my Lily Jade bags knotted here in the back for easy just like throw on and go type situation. Here, just to give you a quick look at the Lorie, super similar. You can see even the straps are like set up in the same way. The Lorie's do feel a little bit longer, so the bag hangs a little bit lower on the body and can also be used messenger style, backpack style, long zipper on the back. Both of the bags have a zipper on the back and the slip pocket on the front. So you're comparing two really kind of similar bags. Okay, because I have two other videos showing the Lorie packed up, I'm just gonna go around the items rather than taking them all out and explaining. If you're looking for that kind of packing video, I'll link to those in the description box below. Also, one long zipper across the top. And then this is what I wanna show you, is there is a good amount of room sitting here on the top. But one thing to keep in mind is the Lorie has to like reach across. So I wouldn't say there's actually a ton of room sitting on top of this insert. The insert fits phenomenally well, but it's kind of misleading that there's like an extra 3 inches sitting here on the top. But like I said, the insert fits so well. So I'll just go around and give you a good idea of what I have in here. You've got diapers along the back, water bottle here, burp cloth, wipes, change of clothes, my mommy pouch, which is awesome. That's by 12 Little. It's one of my favorite. I've got snacks. I have an empty pocket there, hand sanitizer, wallet, applesauces, sunglasses, and then here in the front, I have my phone and my keys. There is a zipper here in the back that has a little bit of extra space, and then along the back of the bag, you do have this really long pocket, which has a good amount of room in it as well. So I wouldn't say you're out of room really by any means. Like there's room here in the middle, there's extra little pockets of space, but as far as like loading this bag up with stuff on top, I don't think that's really what it's meant for. Now let's take a look at the Madeleine bag packed up with an insert. Okay, all I've done is taken exactly what was in the insert, position wise even, and put it in this red insert for the red Madeleine. And you can see that it's obviously like it is a thinner bag this way. It is a more narrow bag. And the insert does kind of sit closer to the top. There isn't tons of room sitting here on the Madeleine, so I wouldn't say that the bag is bigger in any regard that way. But you can see everything in the insert still fits so well. There are pockets of room like here and mostly like the back corners. There's a little bit of room. You could squish things in here, maybe put something there. But what I want to show you is if you close up this bag, but what I want you to keep in mind is say you're running out the door and you realize you need an extra sippy cup. This bag can fit a sippy cup in these front pockets, just giving you a little bit of flexibility to throw something in here in the front. So let me get you one more look at these two bags side by side. So hopefully that will help you in your decision-making process. Okay, I think you can see that the Lorie, you can see from this that the Lorie is a wider bag, especially here at the top. However, the base of the Madeleine is actually longer than the base of the Lorie. So you're getting a little bit more space here on the sides, whereas the Lorie kind of like has a slope and it builds up here where you could put like items here in the corners at the top. Last thing kind of note between these two bags is that the Madeleine's back pocket pocket is maybe like 2/3 the size of the Lorie's back pocket. So if you're looking for something with a bit more room in the back, that's just a good thing to know, I guess. But while we're back here with the backpack straps, in my opinion, the Madeleine is a more comfortable backpack, even when carrying the same amount of stuff. I think the Lorie is great to throw over your shoulder, and it isn't uncomfortable as a backpack, but for me, the Madeleine is a more comfortable bag to use as a diaper bag full time because of the comfort of the backpack straps. So there you go, Madeleine and Lorie, side by side. Hey, thanks so much for watching. I'm gonna leave shopping links in the description box below. This bag, by the time you see this video, may not be available. It's currently on sale for a really good price, and I'm not sure if Lily Jade is planning on bringing this color back, but otherwise check out their website for this bag, which is in the diaper bag section, and the Lorie, which is in the lifestyle bag section. Please, if you can, subscribe if you're new around here. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you like this content and want to see more videos like this. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.